Xiaomi J18 TWS wireless earbuds. Deep bass, waterproof, noise isolation, gaming and calls test. YouTube description. Xiaomi J18 True Wireless Earbuds full review. Looking for affordable wireless earbuds packed with features like 9D stereo sound, waterproof design, smart touch controls, and a comfortable fit? In this video, I review the Xiaomi J18 TWS Bluetooth earphones, perfect for workouts, gaming, calls, and daily use. Key features: True Wireless Stereo TWS, 9D HiFi stereo sound quality, IPX5 waterproof, sweat and rain resistant, smart touch control, play pause, volume, calls, Siri Google Assistant, Bluetooth 5.0 stable connection, comfortable in-ear design with silicone tips, 3 sizes, Type-C charging case, up to 30-meter wireless range, built-in microphone for crystal clear calls. Buy now from here. Let me know in the comments, would you buy this budget-friendly earbud? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and gadget unboxings. What's in the box? Xiaomi J18 wireless earbuds, charging case, Type-C charger, user manual, silicone ear caps, SML. Specifications: Bluetooth version 5.0, wireless range 20 to 30 meters, sound isolation, yes, material, metal plus plastic. Control button, yes. Volume control, yes. Vocalism principle, dynamic. Connectors, Type-C. Category, earphones and headphones. Impedance, up to 32 ohms. Active noise cancellation, no. Support app, yes.